Feeling it into the palms of the hands. And now begin to come up on the toes and sink down into the heels, keeping the back nice and straight. Don't stick your bum out or your thumb. As Katie thought yesterday, I was saying, stick your bum out. I was actually saying stick your thumb out. So keep your tailbone just pointed nicely to the ground, helping to open up the psoas muscle, big, massive muscle through the body and the legs, joining the legs and the torso up to the diaphragm. Breathing in, up the energy comes, breathing out, down. So we're coming up and now down, up and down. Let's go from here into throwing the trash. So up we come, up to the ceiling, up on the toes, and throw away the trash. Remember, keep looking forwards to keep your balance. Holding light potato chips in your hand and then throw them away. So holding them gently, throw them away. Up on your toes, throw it away. So your belly rolls down between your thighs. Fingers up to the ceiling, point the palms, holding them gently, and throw it away. Stretching up, 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 and now throw it away. Last time, up we come, throw it away. Opening up now, standing into Ouija position again, wobbly fists, and tap on your sacrum. Oh. If there's any areas that feel numb, kind of part of my sacrum even feels numb this morning, and tap into the buttocks, then just take a little bit of love, a little bit of attention. Just take your attention and intention to that area, and where your mind goes, blood flows. Tapping now onto the kidneys. And now tapping over the girdle channel, so tapping over your waist, over to the lower dantian. Rubbing the kidneys, sweep them over the girdle channel to the lower dantian. Rubbing the kidneys and over to the lower dantian. So you might have seen my post yesterday all about libido. And libido for men and the difference for women. So quite often women do not experience spontaneous desire as men often do. When women need more of a stimulus, need more attention. And that's because we are taking our attention and intention to the lower dantian. So holding the kidneys, let's do some spiraling. Taking your attention into your sexual organs, the perineum, the anus. As the hips and the pelvis rotate forwards, you'll find that there's a slight, but they almost kind of pull up slightly. There's a slight drawing up as you circle it forwards, relaxing behind. Circle it forwards, slightly feel it lifting up. And now the other way. Rotate and up. Relax and now slightly draw up the perineum and the anus as you come forward with your hips. And this is all you need to do to remain sexually active. Remaining sexually active means you lower blood pressure, you have less likelihood of stroke and of heart attack. So, isn't that worth doing a few little pelvic thrusts and not having a heart attack? So out we go, around with the hips, back with the bum, around with the hips, back with the bum. We're taking it bigger now. This is remaining sexually active. Our sexual organs are active. That's what it means. Doesn't mean having to go off and have sex with people, but this kind of exercise, and the same as the sit but don't sit, will really help open, loosen, and increase blood flow to all the sexual organs and through the hips. Let's do figure eights. Forward with the hips. Now take it diagonally, stick out your bum. And forward with the hips, back with the bum. Forward with the hips, back with the bum. And you feel your shoulders joining in as well. Let's change directions. Did we already change directions? I don't know. And enjoy this flow. All we need is to love and be loved in return. And from here, let's just take a little bit of sideways, opening up the side of the body. Just let the dantian move from side to side.